In this video, I'll guide you through how to join the Donut SMP server in Minecraft. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft content. Let's get started. First, for Minecraft Java Edition, launch the game and from the main menu, click on Multiplayer. Then select Add Server. You can enter any name you want for the server. In the server address field, type donuts.net and click Done. The server will now appear in your list. Simply select it and click Join Server to start playing. Now for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, open the game and press Play. Navigate to the Servers tab in the top right corner. Then click Add Server in the top left. Enter any name for the server, and in the server address field, type donuts.net. Leave the port as the default value, then press Add Server. Once it appears in your server list, select it and tap Play. If you're asked to download any resource packs, go ahead and allow them to install. After that, press Join. Once everything loads, you'll be connected to Donut SMP and ready to begin your adventure.